warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Wilmette Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 10:30 p.m. At 8:24 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 28 nautical miles northeast of Wilmette Harbor to 8 nautical miles southeast of Waukegan Harbor, moving south at 20 knots. This gusty wind shift is expected to arrive at Navy Pier and the Chicago lakefront around 9:15 p.m. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, buoy reported. At 7:40 p.m. a 38 knots gust was observed at the Kenosha, Wisconsin buoy. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Crib, Wilmette Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Burns Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Indiana Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Burnham Harbor, Hammond Marina, Jackson Park Harbor and Belmont Harbor.